What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Checking on the worms today. Today will be the 29th feeding. I still see a little cranberry there. A little piece of cranberry. I put the garlic stems in. Oh yeah, there's some worms on there. I see some castings. There's one. Man, these cranberries are wild. Try to keep the cranberries in those garlic stems so they go back in the middle. I think this was 2 bananas, the stems from that. So that can go back in the middle too. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe the next feeding, trying to work this guy down. Because like I said, this is 29, so maybe for 30, do a flip. Okay. So, I had some watermelon this past weekend. I have some lettuce that didn't make it out of the garden. And I still have a little mixture of my blended material, which was an orange, cranberries, and some lettuce. Go ahead and add the ground up eggshell. Ground up eggshell is great for grit for the worms because they don't have teeth. They have the crop and gizzard, so that helps them to break the food down. And then I like to add worm chow to the top. It gives the worms some food a little faster, plus it allows time for that food that I added to start breaking down to allow the worms to get to it. I'm not going to show the tray right underneath this one. I did, as I moved this over, take a peek, and there's a bunch of worms that I seen at the very bottom here. Yeah, so I want to get these worms back into the top tray. There's a super tiny wisp. Make sure the feet get locked inside the tub. And then I see another little guy. Get that situated. So yeah, this tower is really producing some worms, some castings, which is pretty awesome. Like I said, I'm thinking for next week it's going to be a rotation. Then I can add another inoculating tray to the bottom of this tower, so then that bedding can start breaking down and gaining the microbial life and the biology to then really let these worms go to town and make castings once it gets moved up to the feeding level. So if you guys got any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.